We saw a 25% increase in new listings to the market this past week. 20% more homes went under contract and settlements were up 44%. Interest rates also rose a full 15 basis points higher than the week before. This means that rates are now at or over 3%. Predictions are that we will continue to see a steady but slow rise in the interest rates through the end of this year. It's Friday, March 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. With more listings to the market, inventory is slightly buoyed as buyers continue to compete in multiple offer situations. In an effort to make their offer more appealing to the sellers, many buyers are foregoing all inspections and not asking for seller closing help. Here's a quick overview of activity since last week's report. 1,461 are newly active with a median price up to $341,990. 1,101 are coming soon. 734 homes went under contract in 7 days. 1,220 are temporarily off the market. 1,375 moved to pending. 2,094 homes settled since last week. The highest price home to sell this past week was a waterfront estate at Bloody Point in Stevensonville for $4,600,000. The number of homes available for lease has decreased further to 1,434 homes, and the average rent paid for $3,013 per month could purchase a $525,000 home. Do you have questions about your situation? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcasts. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's a wrap for Friday, March 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.